Hello people of the internet, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's really weird for me to sit in front of the camera and talk and not do a voiceover. So, hi. This is what my voice sounds like for me live. For you, it's still recording. I'm sure it probably sounds the same. A little bit less loud because I'm not all up in a microphone yelling at it. So, yeah, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Today's a super exciting video. I'm going to be unboxing the Bella Skin box. So, this is what the box looks like. It's super duper cute. It just came in the mail today, so I was like, okay, we're going to sit down and we're going to film it. So, hopefully I will have this edited and uploaded for tomorrow. Okay, so let's just go ahead and get started. When you first open the box, this is what it looked like. So we have a little coupon code, it looks like, on here for 20% off your first purchase. So this is for hailosjewelry.com. There's just a coupon for 25%, for 20% off of your first purchase with them. So that is super duper cool. And then we have this little card, which is a Bella Skin box card, and it just tells us a little bit about our products. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 products in here, and down here it does say that this box for the month of October was valued at $116. That is insane. And I would also just like to mention I did get this box in PR, so I want to say thank you to Bella Skin Box for sending me this package to review. I appreciate it, and I'm super excited to see what all is in here. I just want to pop on voiceover really quick to give you guys a little bit more information about the Bella Skin box that I forgot to include. So the box is $35 a month with free shipping, and each box can retail for up to $150 in value. Every Bella Skin box is full of cruelty-free, full-size skincare products and beauty tools. It'll bring you a variety of different brands to try every month, and the products will help you discover many ways you can enhance your skincare regimen. So it's pretty awesome if you ask me. Okay, so let's just go in the order that it is on the back of this card. So we're going to start with this Upcircle Beauty face mask. This retails for $24. This little packaging looks like it's super cute. And I want to open it and see what the little package that the face mask is in looks like. And then I'll tell you a little bit about it. Oh my gosh, this is so stinking cute. Look at this little jar. I love this. It's such a cute, when I finish this face mask, I'm going to keep this jar. I'm not going to lie. I definitely am. It says, with refined powder of discarded olive stones. Ooh. On the card, the little about portion of this mask says, a gently detoxifying face mask to fight blackheads, minimize pores, and prevent breakouts. Skin is left feeling cleansed, refreshed, and balanced, reused, repurposed, and reloved. This face mask is made with finely ground powder of discarded olive stones by a natural byproduct of the olive oil industry and a powerful anti-inflammatory. This clarifying face mask is suitable for all skin types. The olive powder is combined with a rejuvenating white kaolin clay, coconut powder, and jojoba oil. So that is super duper cool, and this looks, ooh, it's natural, sustainable, vegan, and cruelty free, so that's super duper awesome. And it says, apply in a thin layer, relax for 5 to 10 minutes, rinse with warm water, or use a damp cloth to reveal a fresh, cleansed face. Use several times a week. Organically grown ingredients, 99% natural origin ingredients. Wow. That is so stinking cool. I want to see what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. I gotta go let my dog in. It smells like nice. I don't know why, but I want to say eucalyptus-y. Like it opens your nasal passageway. So let's see what we're digging for next. Daily Skincare Hydrating Serum. Okay, so this is right on top. This is such cute packaging too. Look at the little carrots. Oh my gosh. I love this so much. another natural, cruelty-free, and vegan item. Oh, how wonderful. I love that. Okay, so let's read this first and then we'll open it up. This gentle formula is for dry, mature skin with carrot seed oil and pomegranate seed oil. This serum will nourish the skin, leaving it with a healthy level of hydration. I need this. Winter's coming, so I needed this. Oh my gosh, and I'm so excited. I love skincare so much. Oh, another cute package. Oh my goodness, look at this little carrot right there. It's so cute. So, directions: rub gently onto face and neck after moisturizer nightly or as often as desired. And then this serum does retail for $30. It's so cute. I really do love that it is natural and vegan and cruelty free. I think that's super duper awesome. I love that so much, and I'm so excited to use this with winter coming up especially. Kentucky weather is already cannot make up its mind. It's hot, it's cold, it's humid, it's dry, it's everything. It's literally everything. It's a new thing every hour. So next we have the Me Time Botanicals Lip Balm Trio and Breathe Roller Bundle, and that retails all together for the 4 items $23. I'll show you them in a moment. I'm just going to read about them really quick. So, gently exfoliate, soften, nourish, and moisturize. Silky, creamy, rich formula melts into the lips. Includes a trio of lip balm flavors and sugar plum lip polish with an O on it. Polisho. Simple natural with an O on it. Peppermint essential oil, vanilla latte, vanilla and coffee infused. Then the Breathe Roller is perfect to add to our face mask. Roll on face mask and smell a therapeutic blend of eucalyptus, peppermint, rosemary, and lemon essential oils, and organic dried rosemary to open up the sinuses. Again, that opening up of the sinuses is going to be great for this time of year with all the congestion that's about to happen with this fall time, because Kentucky's like, we're going to winter. Just kidding, it's like going to be a warm fall. Just kidding, it's blizzard. Well, we haven't had any snow, but it's been cold, so I'm just being a little bit dramatic. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and show you these items now. So the chapstick came in a set of 3. These are also super duper stinking cutesy. So this first one is the Simply Natural. So this one is unscented. I have lipstick on. I'm gonna do it anyways. This is so buttery. Okay, so I just tasted it because I wanted to know. And the ingredient, the first one listed on here is coconut oil. And I tasted it, I'm like, that kind of tastes like my coconut oil that I swish around in my mouth. Okay, so now let's smell the Minty Vibes one. Oh! I love minty chapstick. To me, it just smells like, what are the peppermint patties? I just really like peppermint patties, I guess, and the smell just makes me happy. So the last one we have here is vanilla latte, and I love anything and all things vanilla. So, oh my gosh, it smells like vanilla coffee. Based off the name, that is what, would be expected, but that smells so stinking good. And these were all handcrafted in Charleston, South Carolina. And then we have the Breathe Roller. So this was actually packaged very nicely. It was in the bubble wrap, and then it actually has another seal on there. So this is the Breathe 100% Natural Aromatherapy Roll-On Essential Oil Blend for headaches, stuffy moments. Roll on pressure points and breathe deeply. Apply to wrists, temples, behind the ears, and chest. Okay, sorry, my camera ran out of card storage. Okay, so I kind of really want to open this and smell. Oh, look, there's little dried flowers in there. I smell it. I want to smell it now. I cannot wait. This is another, again, handcrafted item. It's from the same brand. They're all handcrafted. At least all the ones that we have in here. So I'm gonna put some on my wrist and smell it. It's just a little rollerball essential oil. I like that. I like the blend of oils in there. That smells very nice. Sometimes I'm kind of like, with essential oils, but I enjoyed this. Okay, so our next item is the Skin & Co. Roma Face Gommage. It retails for $30. It says that it is ideal for all skin types. It's a truffle therapy face gommage for weekly exfoliating treatments that polish the skin effectively removing impurities, dirt, and debris accumulated into the pores to refresh skin for a rejuvenated and radiant appearance. So, this is huge. To me, this looks like a whole body lotion. The package is ginormous. It is 5.7 ounces, and it was apparently made in Italy. It says it right there. So that's really cool. So this is gluten-free, BPA-free, GMO-free, vegan, zero sulfates, parabens, mineral oils. And it says to apply a liberal amount of truffle therapy face gommage all over the face and neck, gently massage with circular movements for 1 or 2 minutes, avoiding eye area. Remove with damp, lukewarm face towel. Pat dry. Use 2 to 3 times per week. Follow with truffle therapy toner and truffle therapy serum for full treatment. I wanna smell it. Put a little bit on my finger. Ooh, that's a nice little like grit. Not too tough, but also like nice to exfoliate with, which is literally what it's made for. So I put a little bit of this on the back of my hand and rubbed it in, and it feels pretty stinking nice. I like how the little exfoliant beads in there are not super duper gritty, so it doesn't put any micro trauma or anything on your face. I just wiped it off with my hand, and it feels super duper smooth, and it smells good too. It doesn't have a super strong smell, but it does smell good. Ooh, it has some sweet almond extract, so I wonder if that gives it some of the scent. I don't know. But then the last item in here are the After Spa headbands that retail for $9. It's $9. It's a 3-pack of headbands, perfect for pulling away hair from the face as you do all of your skincare. So this is what the packaging looks like. That was the back. And it just looks to be a blue, a pink, and a white headband, which is great because I actually needed a headband like this for my skateboard bag, because when I do the facial portion of skateboard, we have to use a headband and then like a cap. So I'm going to stick one of these in my skateboard cosmetology bag that I have prepped, and it's not completely prepped, but I'm slowly getting it all together because I graduate school next month. I'm terrified. So I'm gonna pop one of those in probably the white one. I'm probably just going to put the white one in there. And I'm going to keep these other two. I'm going to put one on my makeup desk because my dog recently chewed up the headband that I like to use. And I'm going to put one in my bathroom so I can use it when I do my skincare. And I'm really excited about these. And it says that they're machine washable. And you can even dry them if you tumble dry them on low. So that's pretty cool. Let's try one on for funsies. Okay, the blue one. Oh, these are really soft. The blue one's right at the top, so I don't really know if this little scrunch part is supposed to go at the front or the back, but currently it's at the front, so I'm just going to leave it at the front. Okay. I like that it's fitting to my head, and it's keeping even like my little hairs back that normally fall right down. I'm not like a everyday headband wearer because I got a big forehead and I feel like my hairline's receding when I wear headbands because I'm so used to having bangs because I have them on and off for a long time, and now I'm growing them out. Anyways, I can already tell I'm really going to enjoy these headbands, so I'm super excited. I'm going to start using them literally every day, and I'm super excited to try out this skincare. And this chapstick feels so good. Like when I put on a chapstick and I like it, I sit there like this like all day. So exciting. I'm so excited to try everything out, and I just wanted to say thank you again to Bella Skinbox for sending me this PR package. I really appreciate it, and yeah, thank you. And I'm so excited to be unboxing your box. Okay, so that is all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, and if you want to stay tuned for my future videos, be sure to subscribe to my channel as well as hit that bell button so you'll be notified every single time I upload. And until next time, kisses from Kentucky. Bye!